Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the Cambridge School e-learning series. I am Indrajit here, your computer teacher. Today, we will continue with chapter Working with MS Access. In the previous video, we have learned about what is Access, what is features of MS Access. Today, we will rephrase again this video that how to create a blank database. How we can create a blank database in MS Access. So start Microsoft Access. Okay, first of all, create. Here it is button create. Click on it and give name to. Okay, you have created a database like this. Again, if you want to create. Okay, beta, I will tell you how to create database. Start. Here you can give name of database. Here, suppose I will give name Cambridge. Create. Your database is created. Here name is displayed. On the top, you can check on the title Cambridge database. Okay, we have created. Now you have created table like this in MS Access. Okay, it's clear to all. Next, working with tables. What is table? A table is a database object which is used to store information in an organized manner. It consists of rows and columns with the small rectangles called cells. Where rows and columns intersect means it is a table. Small boxes are known as cell. These one box is known as a cell. Where rows and column intersect. Here this point. So it is a table. Okay beta. Now we will continue with data types of Microsoft Access. Which data types are used in Microsoft Access? Okay, now move to this table. Here you can check it is available. Here data types. Here it is a text, like as we have given field name text. Field name, what we will give? Name of student. Suppose we are giving like this. Okay, you can increase decrease size. Its data type is text. Next, we want to give roll number. So it will be a number only. So select number here. We will give name roll number. Clear? Next is beta, you can see here text number memo. What is the memo? Stores text and numbers up to 535 characters. It is used for descriptive fields such as notes, comments, description, etc. You can check here. Suppose memo. Okay, you can, like as we want to give remarks, it should be long sentence also, short also. So we will give a select data type memo. Okay, you can store as many as letters. Okay, like this, up to 6535 characters. Okay beta. Next data type is date and time. Suppose you want to give here date and date of birth. We will select data type date and time. Field name date of birth. Clear beta? Next is auto number. Auto number is automatically here. Suppose it's ID. It is a auto number. ठीक है बेटा? Is it clear to all? it is automatically takes number starting from 1 to, okay, number filters you can give. Okay, next is you can check yes or no. Sometimes we are asking any choice. For this we can give yes or no. Like as we can give willing to go. Suppose we are making this for going to tour, willing. It may be we are planned a tour. Okay, are you ready? Yes or no. It will be tick. If not, then no need. Okay beta, it is a yes and no topic. After that, OLE. What is OLE? OLE, sorry. It stands for object linking and embedding. It is used to embed an object created in other applications such as Microsoft Word document, Excel, spreadsheet or PowerPoint presentation into the access table. It stores up to 2 GB of data. Okay. OLE. This option is will be continue only when we will make any project based work beta, not available here. Next is we will do hyperlink. Here we will give hyperlink www.google.com. okay, we have given link. Here we will give website, heading website. When we will click here, automatically it will reach to the Google website. Okay, next is beta lookup wizard. Lookup wizard. Lookup wizard. Use of lookup wizard helps you to create a field whose values are chosen from the values in another table. Queries or list of values. We will do it later on. When we will learn about queries, then we will use this type of data type. Okay. This, like, it will show this form, but it will work only in a queries. Okay. Next. Now we will continue with attachment data type. What is attachment? Attachment means you have to attach any file to a database. You can continue here. Suppose we are giving here attachment data type. We will give name, field name. Okay. We can attach any file, add. Suppose we have select any file of class. We are selecting file any. Okay, maths key terms I have selected. Okay, now when we will click here, okay, manage attachment, then it will be open automatically. It is here beta. You can attach any file, not necessary, you can attach any file. Next is we will continue with calculated. This data type is used when a user creates table fields that calculated values. The calculation can include values from fields in the same table as well as from the built-in access functions. This data type is used in mostly in case of queries, forms and tables. Calculation. Now we will continue with table type data. Yes, here is calculated field numbers. Hopefully you can make plus minus from here. Okay, which fields you want to add, minus, so many things. Okay, after that is rich text. Rich text. What is rich text? The text or combinations of text and numbers that can be formatted using color and font colors. Here we can give rich text data type. Here we can give any field, suppose city. Okay, it is a rich text. Okay, you can select it, you can make it bold, italic, so many. ठीक है बेटा, it is a rich text filter. Okay, next. Now students, now we will continue with views of a table. First one, we will learn about design view. What is design view? In design view of a table, you can enter the field name, their data type and description. Now continue. Yes beta, we will create new database here. Okay, create. It will processing. Okay, while we will create a new database, we will get new features. Okay, here it is a design view. Select table 1. Okay, here we will give, firstly auto number is there. Suppose we are giving data according to the ID, it is okay, no need to change. Next is name of the student. Its data type will be always text. Next we are giving roll number. Its data type will be numbering. City, its data type will be, yes, text. Next, date of birth. Its data type will be date and time. Marital status. Yes, it will be married or married we want, but you can change here. Willing, yes or no. Its data type, yes or no. Okay, like this you can make table. After that you have to save table. You can press simply F control plus S key. It is a save. Now you can click here, table is made here. Now you will enter data here, name of the student. You can increase the width. Student, yes, Raman. Roll number 1, city, Malerkotla. Date of birth, you can check calendar here. It is here, but you will give like this also. Okay beta, willing, then yes. Okay, like this you can make. It is the way of making table using the design view. After that we will learn about how to create data in datasheet view. What is datasheet view? Datasheet view is used to enter data in a table. When you double click the name in navigation pane, it opens the table in a datasheet view. Okay, datasheet means proper table, but you have to change the fields name and all. Now check it how we can make. Next is insert a new table, datasheet view. We can make any table, create table. You can check datasheet view. It is like the table, different. Here we will change text, name. Its length is less, so it's not written only name of student. Okay, next numbering, roll number. Next, yes, suppose date and time, date of birth. We want to give date of birth. Like this we can make table in datasheet view. Here we can save data. It is not proper. We have entered like this, so it is given a enter the value. We have to give proper date. Okay, now it will pick. Clear? So it is the use of data type. Why we need use of data type? Okay, I hope it is clear to all. In this class we have learned about how to create tables in 2 types. Okay, I hope you all understood this. Up to next class you have to work on it. If you are having computer, then you can continue. Otherwise, when school will reopen, then we will continue. Thanks and take care.